Introducing the FOGATTI Propane Tankless Water Heater, a revolutionary solution for homeowners seeking efficient and space-saving hot water solutions. With its outdoor installation, rapid heating, precise temperature control, compact design, and impressive warranties, this water heater promises to elevate your hot water experience while optimizing your living space. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and benefits that make this water heater a standout choice for your home's hot water needs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Space-saving outdoor installation. This water heater offers a practical solution for homeowners looking to maximize space utilization. Designed for outdoor installation, this water heater doesn't encroach on your indoor living space. Its bottom-mounted forced DC fan ensures a stable combustion environment, even in windy conditions, promoting safety, energy efficiency, and minimal pollution. It's important to note that professional installation in compliance with local building and plumbing codes is recommended for all installations. Number 2. Endless hot water supply with rapid heating. One of the standout features of this water heater is its ability to provide an uninterrupted supply of hot water without the need for preheating. The heat exchanger within the unit rapidly heats water to a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that you have hot water ready for use without any waiting time. With a flow rate of approximately 5.1 gallons per minute, GPM, for up to 40 minutes, it can produce nearly 200 gallons of hot water, making it suitable for meeting the multi-point water supply needs of an entire household. Number 3. Precise temperature control and stability. The inclusion of a wired controller with a cord length of 164 feet allows users to have precise control over the water temperature from the comfort of their indoor space. The burner can be modulated in sections to cater to varying water temperature demands throughout the year. Due to the chip's calculation and control of heating power at a rate of 1000/, the water temperature remains stable within an impressively tight range of plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a comfortable and consistent hot water supply. Number 4. Compact design for easy installation. Compared to traditional 50-gallon tank water heaters, the tankless design of this water heater is significantly more compact, taking up only a quarter of the space. This compactness simplifies the installation process, and it doesn't require the installation of an expansion tank, thanks to highly integrated components that provide excellent protection against water pressure surges. Number 5. Excellent quality and warranty. This water heater boasts CSA certification for safety and durability in both the USA and Canada, demonstrating its adherence to stringent quality standards. It incorporates cutting-edge technology to ensure superior performance and reliability. FOGATTI backs its product with a 5-year warranty on the heat exchanger and a 2-year warranty on other parts, offering peace of mind to consumers concerned about long-term maintenance and performance. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. What's in the box? Let's dive into what's in the box. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Space-saving outdoor installation. Endless hot water supply without preheating. Precise temperature control within plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact design for easy installation. CSA certification for safety and durability. 1 reason not to buy. Initial cost may be higher than some traditional heaters. Conclusion. The FOGATTI Propane Tankless Water Heater impresses with its space-saving outdoor installation, rapid heating capabilities, precise temperature control, and compact design. Its excellent build quality, certifications, and warranty make it a reliable choice for those seeking a consistent and efficient hot water supply for their homes. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.